So the concept was to build an experience, a temporary holiday experience, leveraging the incredible digital brand equity of Awesomeness TV. Started as a YouTube channel and multi-channel network, and really now has burgeoned into a digital media entertainment brand. We felt that this was a great opportunity to have a direct relationship and direct communication with our core fan base. Basically, what we are is a licensing and brand development agency. So we license the intellectual property, either the intellectual property off of our own brand, our TV series or movies titles, or our talent, and then we go out and find manufacturing partners. Then we also maintain retail relationships because we make sure that the goods are going to get distributed once that they're produced. I just think this fan base, the Awesomeness TV generation and our teen and young millennial consumer is rabid fans, and they love their Awesomeness TV, they love their talent and creators that are on the channel, they love the talent and creators channels. And I think when you see what happens when we have meetups in the store or events in the store, you see that one-to-one relationship that these YouTube creators have created with their fan base, and I feel like the store just facilitates and enables that.
It's a great opportunity. I've always believed in making great quality products that people would buy even if they had no reference to who I was. So, that's what we've always tried to do here. I always try to see my YouTube as it's been an amazing place to curate an audience and to keep in touch with them. But in my grand scheme of things, it's one of my many social medias. So I try to leverage brand opportunities and the AdSense integration in order to fund bigger projects that I have a little bit more say in the back end.